Hey cooks, a steamer is an important kit for your cooking arsenal. Today we're looking at the Buydeem steamer. This is not just your average everyday steamer. It's multifunctional. So it slow cooks, it steams, it does yogurt, it does all that stuff, and it is absolutely adorable. So join me. Let's unbox this Buydeem multifunctional steamer. Okay, so I really love steaming. I put rice in there and a little seasoning and just walk away and come back with delicious, outstanding rice. I put some chicken, some vegetables in there and walk away and come back to dinner, right?
Artichokes!
Artichokes as well. So I just want to thank Buydeem for sending this. I'll put links down in the description to this. When I first saw it, I was like, this steamer is adorable. How can a steamer be adorable? For starters, it's this color. So this is like, I have a stand mixer that's similar to this color, and I love it. It's called Cozy Greenish is the color. Yeah, so I really appreciate it. Links for this will be down in the description if you want to take a look at it. We're gonna have a little bit of fun with this. It comes with a few different parts. You can do yogurt with this. It has these glass cylinders, I guess you would call them, where you can steam two different things at once. It's really cool. So let's see what we have here. Whoa. Whoa. So my first impression, just the unboxing experience, it's really nice. This is like unboxing one of those high-end cell phones, you know, that has really fancy packaging, really nicely packaged. It's sort of that kind of experience. Whoa. So like I said, very, very impressive packaging to this. This is your manual. Oops, something just fell out of it. Beautifully presented. A lot of times you see like these kind of throwaway kind of manuals. This is not one of those cases. So this is just the inspection. So this is how your manual comes. Nice. So you have your basic manual for the cooker, and you have this beautiful cookbook that has all kinds of recipes, yogurts, stews, porridges, buns, hedgehog-shaped buns, steamed eggs, oh my gosh, ginger onion, fish, perch, oh my gosh, dumplings. This is really impressive. Just the book alone is really, really impressive. So let's see what we have here. Oh, here's a quick start guide. I can tell you just through the unboxing experience, high end all the way. Really, really nice. And it has that beautiful green color. Ooh, look at this. I love it. Look at that green color. I love that color. So it looks like it has a steaming rack, I guess you could call it here. This is where the steam comes out and any dripping goes in here for easy cleaning. And this is where your water goes. And inside here you have a water level. So it'll say max for the stew pot and minimum. And you put your water in these little inlets so you can add additional water during the cook if you need to. And this is the top to it. Really nice. So that's going to go on there. So that's your basic steamer. It also comes with a ceramic tray that you can put in here, add dumplings on so you can steam them, then you put the lid on. Really nice. Okay, so now we're going to look at the stew pot. And this is one of the things that really interest me in this steamer. I've never seen anything like this, and I'm really intrigued by it. So it's like a few parts here. So this is the base of the stew pot, and our little stew pots are going to go inside this. And the stew pots are made of glass, and you stick them in here. So you're going to fill this with rice, meat, whatever you want to stew it. And you can put the second one in here. So you can do two different kinds of things. So what I'm thinking of is doing two different rices flavored differently. Then I can have them for actually 2 meals. So I can run a steam on some rice on Sunday night, and then I'll have rice for a meal for Monday and rice for a meal for Tuesday. And these are the little lids. So you put your ingredients in here and put it in the little stand. And then this is going to go on to here. This goes into the water, and then this goes here. So unique. I've never seen a steamer like this before. This is my first sort of experience with a steamer that has stew pots in here like this. I've never seen that. I'm really interested in trying that out. And then the last part of this is for your double layer steaming. So, oh, and this also has a book. Ooh. So we're going to go ahead and take this out of here, our little stew pots, and woo. So with this is a really nice user manual that goes with this double steamer. So you can steam and stew at the same time. So this makes it like a double layer steamer. Sweet. So let's put this back together. So we have our steamer base. We're going to put this in here. We're going to put this here. That's your drip tray. We have our first level here that you can steam on, or you can steam on this tray. Then you can add the second layer to it, and you can put this on the top, and you can steam on there, and the lid goes on top. So I'm going to go ahead and tear off the sticker. So it has a digital readout. So it wants me to add some water. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water so we can try this out a little bit. To make it happy. And so when you go to menu, you can go to yogurt, steam, slow cook. So let me just go to steam, and then we're going to hit the time, start, and we're just going to generate a little bit of steam here. So it gives you a suggested steam time on the side of the cooker, as well as you can see the minimum and max for the water. You just want to make sure the water is in there at least at the minimum. You want to keep it always at the minimum. So as you're cooking, if you see it go down below the minimum, you don't have to open the steamer and let out all that steam. You just open these little side things and put in more water. And this thing is totally steamed up in a minute. So I'm telling you, not even a minute, and we have steamed up even on this top level. And this is warm. So, woo! We got steam coming up on the double decker. This is really cool. So, yeah, I'm really interested. I'm gonna give myself a facial here.
Well, you gotta be careful. That steam is very hot.
It is very hot. So that's how it looks in here. It just came to an instant boil. You don't really want to do this on a regular basis, but here's your steam pots that you'll have in here. I think you want to fill it up to, there's a line that says for stew pots how much water to put in there. Just make for the stew pot, make sure you have it up to that high. And so you have your stew pot in here and you put the lid on, and so you'll be steaming your stew. And I think you can steam rice in this as well. So I'm gonna wash all this up. We're gonna get some stuff to steam. Stay tuned on that. I just wanted to do a first look on this steamer. I'm already loving this thing, seriously. I'll put a link down in the description. We're gonna do a couple flavors of rice, and then I'm gonna do a basic sausage steam with corn, sausage, and all that fun stuff. So this thing also has a slow cook function. I believe you're gonna use that when you have those steam pots in there.
They got suggested times for steaming and for slow cooking. Like bird nest takes 30 minutes, a dessert 1 hour. Corgi?
I really want to make some steamed pudding, so we're gonna do that. Eric's gonna love that. And steamed pudding is more like a cake. It's not really pudding. So we're gonna make a compote and we're gonna do some steamed pudding as well. So hold on, we're gonna get to that next. If you like this, there'll be links down in the description. So thank you, Buydeem. We're gonna have fun with this, and let's get ready to rock and roll, and we're gonna steam some stuff. If you like this video and you wanna join us on our journey to learn how to steam some food, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified of our uploads. Also, all my social media links are down in the description: Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter, and Instagram. And yeah, come join our cooking family. So stay tuned, cooks. We're about to do some steaming.
I want some soup.
Yeah.